Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from an umai crate. You can go to www.japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. So, what do we have here today? We've got some Itsuki Tempura Soba. So the noodles in these are buckwheat noodles. They're really good. They had one of these that just had the soup base, but this one has soup base and garnish, crunchy garnish to put on top. So let's give it a try. Let's crack her open. What do we got here today? Got 2 sachets and the noodles. So how does this work? Simply, you just cut this open like so. Get her open like that. So they look. And then you dump them in the pot over here. There we go. And you do them for a minute in there. And you stir them. And it's pretty quick. Stir, stir, stir. Yeah, this will be a really quick one. So, I don't know. For some strange reason, YouTube's been acting a little funky lately. And there have been all these things popping up on my videos saying like, oh, these aren't suitable. Most advertisers wouldn't want to advertise on this because of blah, 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 blah. And generally it points to stuff like lots of vulgarity and nudity. I don't know. Is it because nude and noodles kind of sound the same? I'm not sure, but I don't think these videos are vulgar. Sometimes boring, sure, but you know, I don't think it's boring. I enjoy what I do. Those who don't can, you know what you can do. I've told you in the past, but whatever. Alright, so here is the seasoning base. My favorite Captain Picard thing is when he's like gonna, I think the episode's called Captain's Holiday, I'm not sure. No, it's the Binars episode. Anyways, he says, I don't know about you, number one, but I am going to go. I'm going to put on some music, and I'm going to turn on my personal relaxation light and lose myself in the pages of some old novel. But it's great. What the heck is a personal relaxation light? Is that like a full spectrum bulb going on? What is it? I mean, it's the 24th century, so it's gotta be more than just a full spectrum bulb, I'm thinking. It's gotta be like, I feel so good when I turn this light bulb on. Noodles eye. It's the broth. I gotta say, I really like, and I'm generally not a big fan of tempura, udon or soba, but this Itsuki stuff is out of sight. I mean, it's got really good flavor. So that makes me happy. There we are. So I'm going to now garnish away. They didn't recommend these, but I don't care because I really like these. And I got a little bit of onion. They also mentioned using kamaboko, so I got a little bit of that. And then they've got their own crunchy mix, so I'm going to add that right now. Smells lovely. Smells lovely. There we go. And I don't know, maybe a little sesame seed. That's very little, but you know, whatever. And no, all right. I think that's good. So let's rotato. And I'm going to change the music because I don't feel like listening to this. Or that. Or that. There we go. Alright, well that's it for me today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles any whatever day it is, I don't care. Just enjoy yourself and your noodles and do nice things for each other and be good people. Have a good one and bye.